y'all, welcome to our channel. Today we've got a quick video showing a couple of new things we have tried in our air fryer. I will link the video above. We recently got a Kalorik air fryer and I've been experimenting. One of the main things I wanted to try in it was chicken wings and chicken strips. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you enjoy the video. One of the main reasons I wanted to get an air fryer was for doing french fries and onion rings. I also really wanted to do some chicken wings during football season. And the third reason is I just knew they were a fun new gadget like the Instant Pot and I really wanted to get one. So we've tried fries. Up next, I'm going to do a very small batch of chicken wings. I'm just going to start real slow with 6. So these are just the first and second sections from a big, gigantic bag at Kroger I thawed out. I'm going to brush them lightly with some olive oil. I've mixed up just some real plain seasoning. I'm going to start easy. Just some garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. I threw a little turmeric in there to make myself think we were eating a little healthier. I'm going to try frying them up in the air fryer. And then I will toss mine in honey mustard and Tim's, who like spice, and red hot buffalo wing sauce. So let me get these ready for the air fryer. All right, this is my first try. If you've got any tips, if you've done wings in your air fryer, please leave me some comments. I'm still trying to learn. This is the first time I'm going to use this little rack that came with it. Just going to put the 6 in, put it in for, I think I'm going to try 20 minutes at 400 and flip them at 10, and we're going to see how they do before we toss them in the sauce. Also, if you know what the skewers are for, hot dogs, sausage, I don't know, leave me a comment and let me know. I've still got a lot to learn, but we're going to try wings the first time. Pretty excited. Alright, bring it up to 10 minutes. Pretty good so far. I'm going to flip them. I'm going to put my camera down so I don't burn myself. Alright, obviously they don't have a breading or coating on them. I'm going to try them plain this time or naked. Next time we'll probably try them with a flour breadcrumb, probably a flour coating. I'll check them again in another 10 minutes, see if they need any longer. Alright, my air fryer, apparently when it finishes, we hadn't let anything go the entire time. For the amount you set, it beeps 3 times and turns off, so I'm going to see if they're crispy enough or if they need to go back for a couple more minutes. Well, they're definitely brown enough. I'm going to let Tim see how crispy they are, and we're going to toss them in the sauce, and I'll have him give a review. I know they'll be better with the flour breading, but I wanted to try them plain first. I tossed a few in the Frank's buffalo wing sauce for Tim, a couple in the honey mustard for me, and I made Tim some blue cheese dips, so these will be our first attempt at chicken wings. Next time I may try them breaded, we may try different flavors, different seasonings. Not sure how many I'm going to include on this video, but we'll leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down on these. So next time, we'll try something different in the air fryer. So today I'm going to take some chicken tenderloins and do a traditional breading process. FEB, F is flour. I've got all-purpose flour, some white rice flour, some salt, some pepper, some Mrs. Dash chicken, some onion and garlic powder. I will start with that, then go into the E, which is an egg wash, and then the B is a breading, and I'm using for my breading a mixture of panko and Parmesan cheese, and I will mix those up. I'm going to go ahead and put them on a paper plate and refrigerate them probably for 20 or 30 minutes before I try them in the air fryer. Hopefully the coating will stick better and won't blow off when we put them in the air fryer. So let's see how these turn out. I let the chicken strips sit in the refrigerator to try to firm up the coating on them. I have checked both the recipe booklet that came with my air fryer and the appliance manual, clean it, here's how to use it. Neither one of them have homemade chicken strips. This one has full chicken breasts and frozen chicken nuggets. And this has a recipe for a full chicken breast, but I think I'm going to start at 360. This one, chicken breast, says it's maximum amounts. Okay, I think I'm going to start the chicken at 360 for 10 minutes and check it at 5 or 6 and go from there. I am going to spray my basket with oil, and I'm also going to spray each one with oil to help them crisp up. And we'll check them at 5 minutes and see at 360. I checked them at 360 after about 5 or 6 minutes. They needed a little longer. This is 9 minutes, and I'm gonna flip them, and I don't know how long I'm gonna do them on the second side. I'm gonna get my instant read thermometer out. Chicken needs to be 165. I checked them and they were above 165, but they were not brown enough for me, so I put them back for an additional 2 minutes, and I think they're gonna be good. I'm really happy with the air fryer, the way it does wings and chicken strips. So this is 2 of the things I wanted to do. Check back later, we're gonna do some more videos. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and best day, y'all. Bye.
You look really pretty.
Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. I already forgot what I was gonna say. You can hit the button again.